To all students celebrating winter vacation, President's message through measures for the spread and prevention of new coronavirus infection, COVID-19. I am President Kazuhiko Terashima. To all students, precautions for the year-end and New Year holidays and winter vacation. By the deadline of December 17th, Thursday, the university has been conducting a survey on the situation of residents, etc. during the winter holidays. If you don't answer, please be sure to check and answer as soon as possible. When returning home, be careful based on self-restraint in the prevalent endemic areas mentioned above, especially at home when there are elderly people or high-risk people. Those who have chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer patients, etc. Be sure to consult with your family at your hometown about your returning home. When you return to Toyohashi from your hometown, be sure to wait at home for a week. On January 16th, Saturday, and 17th, Sunday, the Koen University entrance test will be held nationwide, and our university will be one of the test sites. Approximately 1,300 students will take the test. Therefore, it is necessary for us to prevent infection on the testing and to create an environment where people taking the test can demonstrate their abilities without anxiety. Based on the above, some of you will be returning home, so the classes will start on January 6th, Wednesday. Only remote distance classes will be available until January 14th, Thursday. January 15th, Friday, is no lectures, and face-to-face classes will be also held from January 18th, Monday. From January 5th, Tuesday, the cafeteria, library, information media, infrastructure center, etc. will be available. In addition to previous infection, such as wearing a mask, avoiding 3CS, closed space, crowded places, close contact settings, and observing disinfecting, please make sure to follow the rules and the regulations to prevent clusters even if someone is infected. Regarding research in the laboratory, it is desirable that you should study at home as much as possible. But if you need to do research in the laboratory for your research, you need to obtain the permission from the laboratory teacher. Please give me. Even at that time, please wear a mask and observe the 3Cs: closed space, crowded places, close contact settings, and disinfection. The university will do its utmost to maintain your health and safety. If you have any problems, please consult with your academic advisor, class teacher, student counseling office, doctor at the health support center, public health nurse or counselor. Measures against COVID-19. Do not infect yourself and also do not infect others. Thirdly, avoid places where the three closed or dense situation, closed space, crowded places, close contact settings, and observe basic through infection prevention measures such as wearing a mask, washing hands, and disinfecting. Through infection prevention measures, especially in 5 situations where the risk of infection increases, such as a social gathering involving eating and drinking. Scene 1. Social gathering with drinking. Decreased attention due to drinking, etc. Scene 2. Eating and drinking for a large number of people and for a long time increase the risk of infection with 5 or more people, etc. Scene 3. Conversation without a mask. Conversation while eating and drinking at a short distance, etc. Scene 4. Shared living in a small space. Private rooms and common areas of student dormitories, etc. Scene 5. Switching locations during breaks such as lunch breaks, changing rooms after exercise, etc. Refrain from entering or leaving areas with high risk of infection, such as those where cluster outbreaks have been reported. Night towns that tend to be dense, etc. Request for restoration of the new corona contact confirmation application, for example, COCOA, etc. Refrain from unnecessary and urgent travel, business trips, travel, including homecoming. Whenever you need to move, consult with your boss, academic advisor, etc. Appropriate response and contact with the university when symptoms occur. If there is an unusual change in physical condition or discomfort. 1. Do not go to school. 2. Refrain from meeting people. 3. Be careful of contact with people who live together, each home, student dormitory, etc. If you have any symptom of suspected infection, contact the University Health Support Center. To all students, these few weeks will be a critical time for corona prevention. The whole country is working hard to prevent corona. We will do our best to support you. Students are kindly requested to cooperate with us. These few weeks have been most important time for corona countermeasures. Studying, reading, listening to music, taking a walk, doing gymnastics, cooking, etc. Let's do it. Let's work together to overcome it. I think it's very painful. Patience and very patience. But we are with you. Let's turn a pinch into an opportunity. We are with you. Let's do our best. Thank you very much.